Hello everybody, I'm Aina. Today we're gonna learn a little bit about electrical installation system. What is electricity? Do you have any idea? Basically, electricity is the presence and flow of electric charge, the flow of electron of negative and positive along a conductor. There are two types of electric current, which are alternating current and AC has the ability to change the voltage level by using a device which called transformers, and it is more economical compared to DC. DC flows in one direction and been used for low voltage application. Now let's take a look on transmission system. The mechanism that transmit the power developed by the engine of automobile to the engine to the driving wheel is called the transmission system, or also known as powertrain. Carries large amount of power from generator to substation. Process of delivering generated electricity, usually over long distance, to the distribution grid located in populated areas. It is composed of clutch, the gearbox, propeller shaft, universal joint, rear axle, wheels and tires. Basically, this diagram shows how electrical is supplied in transmission line from generating station to the user. Well guys, how about the distribution system? Do you have any idea about it? There are four steps in distribution system, which are pencawang masuk utama (PMU), pencawang pembagian utama (PPU), stesen suis utama (SSU), dan pencawang elektrik (PE).